Hi, welcome to my channel Learn with Delwar. If you are new to my channel, please do a subscribe and support me and inspire me to make more videos. I make videos on different kind of topics. If you have time, you can take a look. So without spending any time, let's start our today's topic. In this video, I will show you how you can rename a legend in an Excel without changing this column name. Here you can see the column name is sales. So there are two ways you can change this name. So the first things is if you change the name here, let's say sales range, and then press enter. So you can see if you rename the column name here, it will affect also here. So this is the first way, and the second way is you can change the legend title here, but there will not be any change in this column name. So I am going to the previous step. So here you can see, and the second step is first you have to select this bar chart, then you have to click on chart design. So from chart design, here you can see the select data. So you have to click on select data. On select data, you can see the sales column is already selected. We have to press the edit option. So from here you can see the sheet name is YouTube, and the range of column is automatically selected here. So you can rename it and give any name. Let's say salary data, right? So salary data, and then if you press you can see the series value is C3 and C14. It's a C3 and until C14, and then press OK, and then again OK. So now you can see our legend title name is already changed, and here the original column name is keep unchanged. So this is the way you can change the legend name. I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you in the next tutorial.